Alright guys, we're in the Fiat today. I'm about to head over to O'Reilly's. If you guys saw in the last video, I snapped the Serpentine belt on the BMW. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up a couple belts and then we're gonna head on over to Gabe's and we're gonna try and get that Serpentine belt replaced. And the caffeine addiction continues. Alright, Sick just picked up the belt from O'Reilly's. Unfortunately, they only had one in stock. I really wanted to be able to get two just so I could have an extra one on hand, but I don't know, maybe I'll go check around with the other O'Reilly's sometime soon before the next event. But yeah, now we're gonna head over to Gabe's. You know, I've got to say, I'm really disappointed with this key lime pie flavor bang. Like, I kind of was hyped for it because, like, when growing up, like, I always used to eat, like, those yogurts that were key lime pie, like the Yoplait, or the hell. Those things were bangers, absolute bangers. I mean, this, like, tastes like it, but it's just not the same in liquid form. Like, it just feels wrong, almost. Yeah, I don't know, like, the taste is on point, but it doesn't feel right. You know, maybe I'll just start doing bang reviews on the channel. That'll be my new thing. Just doing reviews of every bang flavor.
Every video.
I mean, hell, they have enough. Alright, let's get this opened up. I honestly don't know how the hell this is gonna go. Pretty sure we have to take off the fan shroud and we have to take off the fan. Alright, Gabe's gonna do a little bit of research because, like, I know we're gonna have to get the shroud out of the way, but in order to get the shroud out of the way, we're gonna have to get the fan out of the way. But I feel like to get through all this, I think we might have to take the radiator out. I'm not sure. I really don't know. Gabe's looking it up. We're gonna figure it out. Hey, hear me out. What about this? What if we just try and fish it around the fan, and then we can get it around everything? It's just we're gonna have to really... It's gonna be a bitch kind of to get to the pulleys and stuff, but I mean, we might be able to make it work. All right, here, let me see if I can fish this around like the radiator fan. Because I'm thinking, like, if I go in the top here, like this, get it back behind. This might be a terrible idea, and watch me just get this shit, like, tangled up in here. Okay, sick. All right, so I have the belt pretty much, like, in the right area now. So, actually, you think we should figure out if any of the shit is seized? Because I don't even know why it popped in the first place. What I'm kind of thinking is caused the pop is like the oil that sprayed off of here got on the belt, started deteriorating it, and then it just gave out.
Yeah.
Because I saw that oil will tend to do that if it gets on the belt. I don't remember what the routing looked like though. Here, just bring the book over so I can get like a general picture of it. So you got the alternator. Oh, okay. Here, let me try and slip it on. Okay. Bet it fits on the alternator good. This is looking like it's gonna be the right one. I was kind of scared that they were gonna give me the wrong one again, like they gave me the wrong oil filter. Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna want to jack this up. Yeah, let's get this up in the air. All right, got the car up. Now, let's get under here. See if we can try to figure this belt out. Oh, there's still so much belt down here. Can you give me some snips, actually? God, I really need to fix these leaks under here. What the heck?
What is it?
Huh? I think it's mainly just power steering. Yeah, there's some serious fuckery going on right here. Oh, feels like it's coming. Oh, fuck! I just smacked myself in the face so hard. Oh. Dude, that's how much was wrapped around my crank pulley. Like, this is just one continuous line. This thing just shredded itself. I don't even understand. How does that happen? Like, what? Alright, now I think it's all out. Now we can install the new belt. I need to take a look at this picture again. Oh. Getting close. Hey, there we go, okay. Alright. Under there? Okay, sick. So yeah, that sits on there, like that. And then it goes over on top of the water pump pulley. Okay. So that's looking good. I got it up on the water pump over there. Is it just me or does this belt seem too long? If this is the wrong belt...
Wait, did you put it on the tensioner? Because when I get to like loosen tensioner.
Okay, wait. I think there was a tensioner that I missed on the bottom.
Yeah, it's under the alternator.
No, I put it on that one too. Wait, but there's a third one somewhere. Yeah, this one wouldn't have reached to the AC. Well, I mean, like it maybe would have, but they specifically asked me if I wanted the AC belt or the alternator and water pump belt. Unless this is the belt for the 6-cylinder, which I wouldn't be surprised since they fucked that up last time. All right, after further consultation with the book, I kind of just realized I was being dumb. And instead of like routing it around this tensioner right here and then coming back around, I was doing some other weird shit. I don't know. Anyways, we fixed it. This is the right belt. But now we just need to release the tension on one of these pulleys and then we should be able to get everything on. Do you know how to release tension on these pulleys? Wait, I can see the tensioner spring right here.
Yeah, this one.
So is it the bottom one?
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Okay. So yeah, the pulleys, the tensioner pulleys, they look like they have caps on them. So I think we can get in there to like a bolt in the middle and then we might be able to loosen the tensioner. Now if you can see down there on the bottom pulley, we just got access right down there. We got access to the bolt. So let's try and figure out what size that is and we're gonna see if it'll loosen the tensioner. Let me see, once I grab that, it brings over the entire pulley. Is that loosened pretty much all the way?
Yeah.
Alright, here, let me shift the belt over. Got on the wrong splines. I still can't quite get it over this other one. Does it go further?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's weird though, because it doesn't even look like it takes that much tension off. God damn it. Well, shroud's off. Fucking Christ. Bruh, I cannot wait to get an electric fan. God damn it. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna secure this back up. It's gonna work, I'm telling you.
Because I had a plan. But I gotta call my glove, don't worry. Alright, now we'll put this one.
I told you! You're having a hell of a time up there.
Dude, this shit is so awkward. With this shroud, this hose.
Yep, this is what happens when we don't go through the regular procedure. Preston, should I just destroy my shroud?
No.
Yes.
Shroud, keep air cool.
Well, my idea right now is like, okay, I'm gonna just destroy this bitch. I'm probably not gonna be driving it. I'm just getting an electric fan.
I think you still need the shroud for the fan, the electric fan.
No, you don't, because the electric fan sits on the radiator itself.
Yeah, but keep the air. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I can rip it out.
I was literally just gonna fucking bash it again and just crack it. Yeah, I did that earlier. It just kind of, it broke off the side right
Honestly,
there.
go Super Saiyan, I'll record it. Just gonna go ba 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 ba. With your fists.
With my fist? Yeah, you think I can punch a hole through this?
Mayweather that bitch.
Holy shit.
Got it! That actually felt so good. Might be able to pull it out the bottom, actually.
I need to break it some more.
The technique.
Easy.
Well, at least it's easier to get to.
Now you can put 2 more cylinders in there.
Look at all this extra space. I guess I'm committed to the electric fans now. All right, so I had no idea how we didn't notice this before, but we ended up taking off the top pulley, and that tensioner right there is totally snapped. But the weird part is that this is a totally different tensioner than what's on Kellen's 318. If you look down below, down there, that right in the middle is his tensioner, and he has the mechanical tensioner, which is like the circular one. So I'm almost thinking that, like when they previously did the Serpentine belt, they put the wrong part on it, and that's why it kind of just snapped over time. Because no matter how much we tried, like prying it over and trying to get like the tensioner to pull tension a little bit, like it just wouldn't give us enough room to get the belt on. So I'm gonna take this out. I think there might be a mechanical tensioner on the parts car, so we might grab that real quick, try and put it on, and see if we can get it to work. All right, scratch literally everything we just said. We were completely wrong. That is the right tensioner. Marco had an extra one that he just had lying around, so we tried test fitting it, and it fits perfectly, but that tensioner is also crap too. Like, it's totally blown, can't hold tension whatsoever. Like, once we start the car, it just starts like going back and forth, and it starts making the belt start like ticking and shit. So I ordered a new tensioner. Along with that, I also ordered another belt just so I can have an extra one on hand. And then I also picked up an electric fan. So those should be coming on the way from FCP Euro. Those should be getting here in like, I don't know, like a week or two. So this thing's gonna be down for a little bit. I might end up missing the next event, which I'm honestly not too sad about. It's all right. It gives me some time to really like work out a lot of the stuff with this car and try to get some more parts in. But I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.